Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making dry pot style potato slices.
The potatoes are beautifully golden with that fried toasty aroma. The flavor is savory with a little tang, just a hint of sweetness and a gentle kick of heat. Seriously, this is dangerously good with rice. First, peel your potatoes and cut in half. Then slice them into thick pieces, not too thin. If they are too thin, they will turn into potato chips, and that's not what we want. Now slice each piece at an angle, so you can get these triangle-shaped slices. Soak them in water for a bit to rinse off some of the extra starch.
While we are waiting, let's make our sauce.
In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, 5 grams oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 100 milliliters of water. Give it a good stir to mix everything together. For aromatics, get some garlic slices, dried chilies, and chopped cilantro ready. Next, we are coating the potatoes. Add some cornstarch to the potato slices and toss until evenly coated. To help the starch stick better, lightly spray or sprinkle a bit of water on the potatoes. Then add more cornstarch. Toss again. Repeat this a couple of times until every slice is nicely coated. That's what gives us that great texture.
Time to fry.
Heat some oil in the wok. Drop in 1 potato slice. If it floats up right away and bubbles, the oil is ready. Add the rest of the potatoes. Don't stir right away, let them sit for a moment first. Then gently move them around and fry over high heat until they are golden. Once they look good, take them out and drain the oil. Leave a little oil in the wok. Add the garlic slices and dried chilies, and saute until fragrant. Pour in the sauce and cook over medium heat until you see lots of small, dense bubbles and the sauce thickens. Now add the fried potatoes back in and toss until everything is well coated. Sprinkle in some white sesame seeds. Give it another toss. And right before turning off the heat, add the cilantro. And that's it. Time to plate up. Wow, that smells amazing.
Let me have a bite for you. Wow, just the right kind of savory, the slightly char on the edge. The sauce soaked right in. It's bold, rich, and super satisfying. Try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.